Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the dust bag on the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have to remove this cover. So just gently grab both sides and pull it towards you, just like so. That'll reveal the dust bag right here, which we need to pull out to remove. So there's a gray handle here. You can just grab it, pull it up and out of the way. This cover actually comes up to block the hole, so any of the contents in there won't start spilling out, so you can dispose of your old full bag. Take your new one, repeat the steps in reverse order, just line it up, press it right in place, and you're all set and ready to go. I also like to add quick little tip. I like to mark on here the date when I install this, just as another way and reference point to keep track of the usage for the vacuum bag, but very simple and straightforward to get that installed. Put the cover back on. This section is going to be for the solution side. It just presses right on, and that's it.